sir, to our Business World Healthcare Summit 40 Under 40. First question I would like to ask you is, can you please share your experience with the latest advancement in orthopedic surgery and how effective they are?
Thank you so much for having me here in this 40 Under 40 Healthcare Award. In orthopedics, I being a joint replacement surgeon and a knee specialist, there are so many things evolving nowadays, and the most latest thing is robotic surgery. Robotic surgery, I mean, a patient is suffering for last 15 years or 20 years unable to walk. With the latest advancement in joint replacement, with that the patient life changes, the quality of life changes all of a sudden in 1 day or 2 days, and patient starts walking normal, the patient can have a normal life. The patient was disabled, living a disabled life for say decades, and after this advancement in robotic surgery, the patient, not only robotic, and in general also after the joint replacement, after the advancement in other surgeries also, so the patient can have a fantastic life, a new life with the advancement.
And sir, how doctors are maintaining the technological advancement, a balance between technological advancement and ethical standards when it comes to patient care?
Yeah, when it comes to patient care, advancement is perfectly fine, but having the empathy and having the accurate diagnosis of the disease is very important. In orthopedics, it's always 2 plus 2 4. There cannot be some assumption because everything is visible in X-ray. So a patient is having a fracture, unable to walk. Once he is operated or being treated properly, patient becomes normal. So the most important thing is accurate diagnosis in orthopedics, and if it is being diagnosed properly, a wonder can happen in the orthopedic industry and in medical industry also. And technology is gradually helping the practitioners and getting the diagnosis very fast and easy for them, patient.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much for having it. Thank you.